Writing style informative. Hey everyone. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of military technology and spotlight one of the most advanced pieces of tech in the Indian military's arsenal, the Drishti-10 drone supplied by ADANI Defense Systems. Originating from the Hermes 900 series, known for its robust performance and versatile capabilities, the Drishti-10 is not just any drone, it's a game-changer in aerial surveillance and tactical operations. What makes the Drishti-10 stand out? First off, it's equipped with state-of-the-art sensors that can capture high-resolution images and videos, even in the most challenging weather conditions. These aren't just any images. We're talking about detailed reconnaissance data that can be crucial in both defensive and offensive military operations. But it's not just about spying from the skies. The Drishti-10 is designed for endurance. It can stay airborne for extended periods, which is perfect for prolonged missions where constant surveillance is key. Imagine having eyes in the sky, watching over a critical area without the need for frequent landings or swaps. And there's more. This drone can be operated remotely from safe distances, minimizing the risk to human life during dangerous missions. Whether it's over land or sea, the Drishti-10 provides real-time data to commanders, ensuring that they have all the information they need to make informed decisions. For the Indian Army and Navy, the introduction of the Drishti-10 signifies a significant leap in technological capability. It enhances their operational effectiveness, giving them a strategic advantage in both surveillance and combat scenarios. So whether it's monitoring hostile territories or conducting search and rescue operations, the Drishti-10 is a critical asset, reinforcing India's defense framework with cutting-edge technology. That's it for today's deep dive into the Drishti-10 drone. Stay tuned for more insights into military tech and other exciting innovations. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next one.